Kading kebejor kala bamdo ia kawai kayeng Assam Time kabala kot Shispa Kharwis Nam jong ke Shillong Bar Association nin kamit kabala penjular ya ki bebon ki bental jong kani kejing tei bekentup ya ki komputer ki tiar kitar bat ki bakam kong san kalong ki kot ki sla ki badan kam ki biade bat ka an amdan kejing do ia kamen simbriu hendai kejing jular kalong kabala jor bha kam tam ha kamra kabaju pendan kam ban bo iki hajat li kot an badan kam u Inspector General ketnat lebding Uba Francis Karshieng ulaang ba kili opdang ya ka phone call ha ka Porsche push tang men made ha ka bagi lalet marmar syakate ke jaka ka Bazar fire station kala poin nang kong syakate ke jaka menteri rang ba ka jalau Konrad ki sang mau sumbut menteri rang ba basnyo balang dahar bat kiwe ki he sarkar ru ki lai 1 point ha ka ke jaka ban kmi ke jing long jaman jong ka ke jing plu ding
electrical conditions that led to the fire out here. And of course, it's a very unfortunate incident, but we are very relieved that there's no loss of life and no casualty was there. But of course, the fact that the infrastructure is damaged and the fact that there could be loss of documents and all is obviously a concern. But we are doing our best to make sure that we minimize the damage.
Mentapat ni pek kejing long jingman kesemneng Shillong